Whether sporty or chic, fashion can be a lot of fun. But we also know that fashion has its dark side. In many places, garment workers still produce our clothes on a piece rate basis for starvation wages, and our environment suffers from toxic dyeing processes and dangerous pesticides. But there is another way. The array of sustainable textiles is growing in any style and for any budget. Unfortunately, so is the jungle of labels. The government-run certification label Green Button provides orientation. It indicates sustainability-produced products from companies that fulfill their so-called due diligence obligations. But what exactly does that mean? It means that companies take responsibility for respecting human rights and environmental standards in their textile supply chains. However, this is often not so straightforward. Textile companies work with many suppliers worldwide, who in turn engage further subcontractors. These also outsource individual production steps and engage additional subcontractors. The result is a complex web with many challenges. Companies must first get a systematic overview and identify potential problems such as exploitation, discrimination, or pollution. Companies must address these risks and take appropriate action. They must also help to ensure that workers in the production process can express grievances when their rights are violated, without being threatened with dismissal. And they must take steps to improve garment workers' wage situation. This is a continuous process that the companies must report on in a transparent manner. Independent certification bodies regularly assess how well the companies are doing this. They evaluate whether stringent requirements for due diligence processes are being met. Once a company has passed this evaluation, however, this does not mean that every one of its products automatically bears the green button. In addition, the company must prove that the specific product was produced in a sustainable manner. For this purpose, the Green Button relies on recognized, credible certification labels that set ecological and social requirements. For example, regarding the prohibition of hazardous chemicals and pesticides, the limitation of working hours, or safety requirements for workplaces. Since its introduction in 2019, the Green Button covers the production stages of cutting and sewing, and bleaching and dyeing via credible certification labels. In the latest version, Green Button 2.0, the production stage of raw material extraction is also included, and strict requirements are placed on the fibers used. This will apply to all products by August 2024 at the latest. This combination of requirements for due diligence processes and sustainable products is what makes this certification label so unique. One thing customers can rely on when buying products with the Green Button: individual flagship products are not sufficient for certification. Instead, companies must take comprehensive responsibility for people and the environment in the textile supply chain. It is already possible to dress from head to toe with the Green Button. In addition to fashionable outfits, there are also certified backpacks, workwear, and home textiles, such as bed linen and towels. More and more companies are choosing to set an example of responsibility with the Green Button. You too can join in. Look out for the government-run certification label for textiles while shopping. We change fashion.